Power of attorney is accepted by Wanda, you will be receiving an email not notifying you of the same. Then you will have to transfer your funds from your primary account to the managed account. Let's see how to do it. In the account login page, put down your username and password, select the account type as FX Trade, and in type select Cash Management System and click on Login to log on to your cash management system. You will be taken to Cash Management page after a successful login. Click on Transfer Funds to begin the process. If you have completed all the steps correctly, you will be able to see two accounts here, a primary account and a MA analog BAL, just like the account that we saw in FX Manager. Now, using this page, you can transfer funds from your primary account to the unallocated balance account. The same form can be used to deallocate funds from your unallocated balance account to your primary account. So anytime you wish to add or withdraw funds to the unallocated balance account, you can use this form. Click on Primary in From account and MA Analog BAL in To account to transfer funds from your primary FX Trade account to the unallocated balance account. Then punch in the amount of money that you want to transfer from your primary account to the unallocated balance account and write in any comments so that you can track it later on for your own reference. Scroll down and click on Submit to complete this request. You will be taken to such a page which will confirm that your transfer request has been created successfully. You will be allotted a request ID, the amount that you have transferred, and all the other details will be mentioned here. After transferring funds from your FX Trade primary account to the unallocated balance account, you will then need to transfer the funds for our management. You can do so by logging into FX Manager, FX Trade client account like we shown before. Once you log in, you will be able to see again your Sunshine Forex, which is our managed account, with the balance is 0, and the unallocated balance account with some balance. Now, first of all, you will have to transfer the funds to Sunshine Forex so that they can be managed by us. Please keep in mind that until and unless funds reach to Sunshine Forex account, we will not be able to manage. To transfer funds from your MA unallocated balance account to Sunshine Forex account, you click on Allocations here and then click on Add Request. A pop-up window will appear using which you can transfer the funds. In the source account, you shall select your unallocated balance account number, which is already seen here in the top. Target account is your FX Manager FX Trade account with the Sunshine Forex. The funds available in your unallocated balance account and the amount you wish to transfer. Click on Submit to submit this request. Once the request is submitted, you will be able to see such a ticket ID being generated for it with all the details about the account. Until the time we accept those funds, you can always delete this request by checking this box here and clicking on Delete Request. After we accept the request of your allocation of funds to us, you will no more be able to see that ticket, but rather that will come into your activity list. Also, you will be able to see the Sunshine Forex account credited with some balance. With this, your account will be ready for trading. Whenever we apply any sort of fees on your account, it will come to you for its acceptance. You will be able to see such a pop-up which will tell you what kind of fees has been levied on your account. You will have to accept this fee structure, which must have been discussed with you prior to initiation of this process. Please note that until the fees is accepted, the trading will not begin on your account. Click on Accept to accept the fee structure. Also, at any time, you can log into your FX Manager account to see the current status of your account. You can see your balance here, unrealized profit and loss here, realized profit and loss here, net asset value here. Also, you can click on Open Positions to see if and what open positions are there. Right? Also, in the Transactions tab, you'll be able to see all the transactions that you have done on your account. Also, in the fees tab, you'll be able to see what all fees activities have been done on your account. And on the last, on the activity tab, you'll be able to see all the activity that has taken place on your account. If you ever wish to withdraw funds from your account, you'll have to do so by clicking on allocations and then clicking on add request. Now this time around, instead of allocate, we'll use deallocate. We'll use the source account as your Sunshine Forex account and your targeted account as your unallocated balance account. Click in the amount that you wish to unallocate and click on submit. The process is entirely the same as it was for allocation, but in the reverse order. At any time, if you need more assistance from Oanda, you can go to www.fxtrade.oanda.com and click on support. Under the support section, you'll be able to see live help. When you click on live help, a live chat session will begin with one of the customer care executives or Oanda, and they'll be able to assist you with any kind of queries. Also, you can read about FX Manager by going to Forex Trading and clicking on FX Manager. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see clients FAQs, user guides, and FX Manager. These tools will help you understand the FX Manager and its functioning better. That brings us to the end of the video on how to link and use and manage the account with Sunshine Forex. Thank you for watching it.